ജപനിലം.
Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to learn 5th class first lesson. What is your first lesson? Did you open your studio? Did you see what is your first lesson? Yes, our first lesson, lines and rays. What is our first lesson? Lines and rays. In this lesson we are going to learn about point, line segment, line and rays. And one more thing, how to measure the line segments, how to measure the shapes also we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, come to the content all of you. Okay, first one is point. What is meant by point? Do you know what is meant by point? See, if you keep a dot with pencil or anything, that we can say point in mathematics. What is the teacher? What is the use of the point? Yes, it will specify a position. What it will shows for us? It will specify a position. In this mathematics we will call this is a point. Okay, next, do you know line? Do you know straight lines? See here, if we fold a paper or anything, we will get a straight line. Will you get straight line or curved line? See, if you fold a paper, we will get a straight line. See here, this is the straight line. This straight line ends here. Where did it end? It the see, end of the paper, it ends. See here, the straight line with two end points, middle of two end points, this is called line segment. What is meant by line segment? A straight line with two end points, that is called a line segment. See here, point we will denote with capital letters. See here, point, always the point we will denote with capital letters. Now line segment also we have to give the names always. This is the one point, this is the another point. Line segment, it will end with two end points. Yes, now at point we have to keep always only capital letter. Now I am giving the name for this line segment AB. See here, I will draw another line. You can see here, yes, these are the two end points, middle of that, this is the line segment. We can give any capital letter, S, T. Yes, this is the another line segment. If you observe the shapes, see for example rectangle, if you observe the rectangle, it is made up of straight lines and you can observe the corners, these are the end points. Yes, this is the one line segment, another one, two line segments and 4 and 5. Rectangle, it is made up of 4 line segments. Now we can give for this name A, B, C, D. Yes, A, B, C, D is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Otherwise we can say like this also. This is a 4 sides polygon. That's why you can say this is a quadrilateral. Yes, we can say 4 sides A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, now if you take the triangle, see here, it is made up of triangle. It is made up of 3 line segments. See here, from here to here 1 line segment, and from here to here 2, and from here to here 3. These are the 3 line segments. We can give name, which name, for point we have to give capital letters only. Yes, you can give C, L, A. Otherwise C, A, T. Like that we have to give. Now what is the name of this triangle? Cat. Triangle, cat. What is the name of this triangle? Cat. Like that we have to give the names for shapes. Okay, line segment. Now come back once. What is meant by line segment? Line segment, a straight line with 2 endpoints are called a line segment. Next, line. See here, line. What is meant by line? Do you know line? See here, a line segment we can extend beyond the line segment. We can extend this line segment beyond both sides. This is called a line. What we have to call? What is the line? If you extend the line segment beyond both sides, that is called a line. See here, here I am giving the name EF. See, here both sides we extend the line segments. That's why we can call this is a line. Okay. Now, next one is ray. What is the next one? Ray. If you expand only one side of the line segment, that is called a ray. See, we can expand only one side. One side it has end point, another side we can expand that. This is called a ray. I am giving the name for this ST. See here, why? Because points we have to denote with capital letters. That is ST. This is the ray. Once all of you come this line segment has two end points. Line has no end points. Why? Because we extend both sides. Line has no end points. Ray has only one end point. Did you understand? Now, how to measure the line segments we are going to learn? See once. Scale, you can observe the scale. While we are measuring the line segment with the scale, always we have to start from from 0 only. See here, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Yes, we have to, for example, this is a rectangle. While we are measuring the line segment, always we have to keep the scale at 0. Now, what is the length of this? What is the length of this side? 4 centimeters. Yes, for rectangle, opposite sides are equal, no? That's why you can say this also 4 centimeters. Now, you have to keep the scale at 0 and measure the breadth also. Maybe if it is 2 centimeters, you have to write 2 centimeters. Like that, you have to measure the line segments. See, for example, he will give for you in this lesson, measure the line segments and find the breadth and length and breadth of the given shapes. For example, if they given the square, you can measure only one side. Why? Because in square, all sides are equal. Okay, if you get this is 2.5 centimeters, we will get this is also 2.5. This one also, why? Because in all sides are equal in square. Teacher, you told no here. How we will get 0.5? See here, if you get any number after 5 small lines, those are millimeters, we will write 5.5. See here, 2 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, here we will measure that 2.5 centimeters. Okay, you have to measure like this, like your shapes. See here, if you learn about point, you can do the activities level 1.1, 1.2. If you learn about line segment, you can do activities 1.4, 1.5, 1.16 and 1.17, sorry. Okay, if you learn about line, you can do 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 1.18 also. Okay, if you learn about ray, you can do 1.10. Okay, if you learn about these all topics, you can do question time and concept map also. Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson. If you have any doubt, once revise the video and then you will get clarity. Okay, I hope you all will complete the activities by this video. Okay, Nana, thank you.